the biggest mistake that people make is the first step that they take. So what will normally happen is this. So we start off with the feet shoulder width apart, but when you step, you bring your foot in. So then you're ending up with half a shoulder width. This causes a problem when you move forward because there's no space for the hips to turn. So here, the hips are going to bring the weight from the back leg to the front leg. But you must have shoulder width between the feet, which will also be hip width so the hips can turn. If you step too narrow on the next posture, when you turn, the hip can't swivel nicely, so you're going to be off balance. As my teacher, Grandmaster Feng Chao, used to say, mind your step.